glad you guys are having fun. But however, there's more. Who likes Harry Potter? On this side of the room. You guys know? No Potter? No, nothing? Kind of half cool. I like how he does this. The guy in the front row who's wearing the shades does this. Right, he's cool enough, but he's not gonna let us know. So who's your favorite character in Harry Potter? Dumbledore? Okay. Alright, but you guys like Harry Potter more? A lot more? Good. Alright, I'm gonna come down here because it's weird being up on the stage. Because I feel far away from the people.
I have an idea.
No. I was actually gonna jump off the stage, but I'm like, no. Because this is slippery right here. So.
Pull the trigger in the nightmare.
That was my thoughts. Let's wait a second. So, the mysterious ticking sound.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Snake, snake, Severus Snape, snake, snake, Severus Snape, snake, Severus Snape, snake, Severus Snape, snake, snake, Severus Snape, snake, snake, Severus Snape, snake, snake, Severus Snape, snake, Severus Snape, sing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb! Yeah!
Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort.
Thank you very much.